We are the ladies from Vintage Hip Decor, and we want to help you with all of your decorating questions. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Carla from Vintage Hip Decor.
And I'm Amanda from Vintage Hip Decor.
And we are a mother-daughter team. We love decorating. We are passionate about sharing that with you here on our YouTube channel. We do a lot of makeovers here in our home. We share that with you for inspiration. We try to do how-to videos to empower you that you can absolutely decorate your own home and create a space that you love. And we like taking that a step further and helping you with your specific design and decorating questions.
Yes.
In our segment called Design Dilemma.
We come up with some tips and ideas to help you when you get stuck with, don't we all face that at some point in our lives?
Yeah,
you know,
we're like, well, what do I do here?
Yeah, and we have each other to bounce ideas off of, so that's kind of what we try to achieve. If you get stuck, we'll see what we can do to help.
Yeah, we take your picture, so you can take a picture from the inside of your home of what your decorating question is and send it in to us. We take a look at it, we try and give you inspiration, get inspiration pictures and ideas on what direction you can go. So this week, Allison submitted a design dilemma.
Yes, Allison just recently moved into a new home and she has this living room space adjacent to her kitchen and doing an update in there. A brick fireplace wall.
Yes, it looks
and
really
on
nice.
The sides,
all the way to the ceiling.
On the side, she had shiplap installed,
which
and
looks really
she
nice as well.
wanted to do like floating shelves on the shiplap wall, which is a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
Very nice to update it.
Absolutely, we love that idea of putting floating shelves up on the shiplap. So this space is already looking really beautiful. So the problem comes in because this space had a mantle already that was kind of outdated. So it was too dark of a wood tone for Allison, and it was kind of like country and farmhouse where she wants more modern, but she wanted to kind of put this mantle back up and see if she could make it work. But we had another suggestion.
Yes, we thought that building a custom floating mantle for her to match the shelves would tie it together, nicely.
Taking inspiration from the floating shelves that she already had that great idea of putting up there, and just carrying that through and mirroring it in the mantle, and then that way the mantle could be the exact wood tone that she wants to bring in.
Yes.
And it'll just make the whole space feel unified.
I think so.
And kind of get away from that country farmhouse mantle and just match the floating shelves.
Yes. We are excited to see the end result, which we will probably share in another video, right?
Yes, because Allison is actively working on this space. She's going to be putting these things into practice. She's going to be putting these updates in.
Yes.
So we will show you once the shelves are up and the mantle comes together, how it all looks. And we actually are going to be helping her with this project because she is local to us. So you'll have to keep an eye on our YouTube channel to see a future video where we actually go and do this work for her.
We'll show the whole project like step by step, right?
Yeah, but we wanted to show you first that this started with just a design dilemma, just a question. What should I do in this space? And can you help me? And the answer is yes, we can. And we kind of came up with this design plan for her and inspiration. So we wanted to share it with you as well in case this is something that you are facing. Maybe it's time to update your mantle and you don't really know what to do. We hope that some of the inspiration pictures that we share and that kind of thing will
sparks an idea with you.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
We also want to invite you to come over to our Instagram where you can see more Design Dilemma segments. That is where this segment started, right there in our Instagram stories, and it is going to continue taking place over there. There are a bunch of Design Dilemma segments saved in our highlights, and we try and do them in stories every so often. So definitely keep an eye on there to see more of these types of videos. But also subscribe here on YouTube because we do a lot of making over of our own home.
Yes.
We teach you how to decorate. We want to empower you to feel confident that you know exactly what you're doing and how to create a beautiful home.
And we're learning together, right?
Yes.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell for reminders.
Yes, the little notification bell so you know when we upload a new video. But we do have some exciting makeovers coming soon, so we want you to not miss out on that. I think we said everything.
We did it, girl.
I think we said everything, so we're gonna go. Thank you for watching, and as always, we hope that this inspired you to see your own home in a new light.
Yay!
We are the ladies from Vintage Oh no, I have a hair in my mouth. That wasn't great. Okay, you're gonna have to be in my mirror since we can't see the screen. Nope. Okay, we're just gonna push through. We're gonna follow my own rules. I don't know where I was going.
Northern New Jersey, and sien nou, now I look at you for approval. Is it okay wat ek nou sê? Weet jy? Want ek eerder dink wat gaan ek sê? Huh? What am I gonna say?
Shiplap wall. I don't know why I got caught up that time. We have things to do, places to be. That was like such a great take.